Good morning, buddy. I am Engineer Pankaj Pandey, going to tell you something about the TCS Smart Hiring means Ignite Drive. And TCS is announced the Smart Hiring for the BCA, B.Sc and B.Voc students for the year of passing 2023 and 2024. And now I am explain everything about this drive. There you are look at the important date. Registration end date is 14th December 2023 Thursday, and test date that is depend on the TCS. They are announced after the registration process. Okay, now you are looking option register here. We are coming after few minutes in this point. We are coming after few minutes in this point, that is about the TCS Smart Hiring. This all information about the Smart Hiring. In this hiring, the BCA and the B.Sc IT branch, Computer Science branch, Math, Statistics branch, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics and Biochemistry branch is eligible, and also B.Voc, CS and IT branch is also eligible. And you have the past year is 2023, either you are going to pass in 2024 is mandatory for this drive. And the next Ignite, TCS Ignite, and this is Ignite, that means a part of smart hiring. If you are hired after the examination, then TCS choose you should go the Ignite, either you should go at the non-Ignite. That depend on your examination process. Okay, explain about the Ignite, what is the Ignite and how is it different from the Smart Hiring and the Ignite in my another video. And the another things, application process for the TCS means, if you want to apply in the TCS Smart Hiring, then how you can do that. There is the some steps you should follow. That step number 1, login, either log on at the TCS Next Step portal. And the step number 2, verification detail as per Aadhaar card. It is mandatory for you. It's important and mandatory to update your details correctly. Incorrect details submitted may lead to disqualification of your candidature. And the step number 3, register and apply for the TCS Smart Hiring. That means how you can register in this drive. Scenario 1, if you are already have the ID at the next step portal, then you should log in using your email ID or your DT number and apply in this drive. If you are new user, then you should must click at the register here option. Register here, I am looking after few minutes. Register here option, register now option. Okay, and this is the, after that you should choose IT and submit the all applications after you apply in this drive. Okay, there are the another next point, that is the center mod is mandatory for you. The virtual examination process is TCS already closed the center. This exam is a center mod, so you should must choose the center, nearest location center, and apply on this drive. The fifth step is the track your application and check applied for this drive or not. There is the some important notes you should already read about this, and many more things. Here is the test pattern. In this test pattern, there is no any coding session. The numerical ability, that means mathematical aptitude. The verbal ability, that means the English sound. And the reasoning ability, that is means the reasoning round. And the eligibility criteria, I am already tell you about that. B.Sc, BCA, these branches is eligible. B.Voc, CS and IT is also eligible. The passing year 2023 and 2024 must mandatory for the percentage 50% overall, 10th, 12th and graduations. 50 or more than 50% is eligible. If you have less than 50 in any, then you are not eligible for this drive. Batch 2023 and 2024 backlogs. If you are passed in 2023, then zero backlogs is allowed. If you are going to pass in 2024, then one active backlog is allowed, and this backlog is finished before the TCS joining. Gap or break education, there is the mentioned, you should Read this. And the next point, there is the next point, and the age, minimum age is 18 year, maximum 28 year is mandatory for this drive. Work experience is here, and means you can read this point, but there is no any experience is allowed, only freshers can apply here. ठीक है, there is the frequently asked question, some question is already asked by the candidates, and now I am going to tell how you can apply in this drive. There is a option register here. You should click at this option. After clicking, you get a page. Next step portal page. If you have already account at the next step, then you should click at the login option. Okay, and if you are a new user, then you should click at here register now. And after clicking here, you get a two option. First is IT session and the BPS session. If you are a smart hiring, if you are going to apply in smart hiring, then you should click at the IT session, and after clicking you get a page that is the verification and personal detail page. Enter your email ID. Okay, and after entering this ID, you should click at the get OTP, and one mail is received in the term of TCS for the OTP mail. And after entering this OTP, you get a registration page and registration application page. You should apply with your correct details and submit the forms, and after a few days you should wait, you get a mail for the drive for the examination hall tickets, and these everything about this drive. If you have any problem, then you must comment in the video sessions. Okay, I will reply on this. And best of luck everybody. Have a nice day and a nice career with the Tata consultancy service.